Affordable plus big servings kaya sila nagtitrending? But worth it nga ba? Hi ka-crave, nakikita ko lang to sa TikTok before and finally na-try na rin namin. This is Tarsier Fried Food sa second level ng Farmers Plaza katapat ng Handyman and sa Gateway Mall link siya banda. Aside sa nakakaaliw panoorin kung paano nila niluluto, grabe nga yung fried rice nila rito. Good for sharing talaga. Itong flaming beef fried rice, malasa siya, smoky, maumami, strong oriental flavors. Ito lang solved na kasi marami ring beef beets. Itong salted egg fried rice, surprisingly not too salty. Ramdam yung texture ng salted egg. May ham bits, but for us, bagay siya i-pair with meats. Itong sausage, we really enjoyed. Para siyang chorizo. Lobster balls and cheese balls, good to try. Ito, we like na hindi siya ma-breading. A little spicy, tangy, close sa barbecue yung taste. Itong snowflake chicken, really crunchy, fun yung texture. Okay rin yung chicken popcorn nila. Actually, when we were here, tuloy-tuloy yung customers. Worth it nga. Kasi ano rin yung chicken mushroom soup. Self-service, but marami ring condiments to try plus their chili garlic here, panalo.